Hi, I'm Liza with ImagineIF Libraries, and I'm going to show you how to make some simple glitter slime. So you can head over to any ImagineIF location and pick up your Take and Make slime kit. In the kit, there's glue, glitter, borax, 2 craft sticks, and you'll need a bowl and a jug or cup of warm water. To make the glue mix, tip your glue into your bowl, use one stick to scoop it all out. Pour water into your glue tub and add that to the bowl. Now your mix is equal parts glue and water. Mix it up with the stick. This is the time to add anything else you want to customize your slime. Food coloring, acrylic paint, maybe left over from your tie-dye kit, old makeup, even shaving foam. That makes a fluffy slime. I'm just going to add the glitter that comes in the kit, keeping it simple. Mix that in really well. Now you'll need to make your activator. Add your baggie of borax, that's a half a teaspoon in there, to about a cup of warm water and stir it well with your other craft stick. You don't want to mix it with the glue yet. Make sure it's totally dissolved until you can't see any more powder. Next, you'll add a little of your activator to your glue mix, just a splash at a time, stirring well. You'll want to drizzle it in different spots because it'll start to react wherever it hits the glue. It'll seem blobby at first, and that's okay. Keep adding activator a little splash at a time until it quits feeling sticky. While I do that, I'll fill you in on the chemistry. Slime is neither a solid nor a liquid. It's a non-Newtonian fluid, meaning it doesn't follow Newton's law of viscosity. Regular liquids keep the same viscosity or flowiness, but slime gets less flowy when you squeeze it. That's because the glue in slime is a polymer, a long chain of molecules containing many repeated parts, like silk or wool or DNA. Glue is long chains of polyvinyl acetate molecules. It flows because the chains slide past each other easily. But adding borax solution creates borate ions, which help link the polymer molecules in a process called cross-linking, so they can't flow and the resulting slime gets thicker. The bonds are pretty weak, so although slime is almost solid, it breaks under pressure. Once it stops feeling sticky, you start to work it with your hands. Stretch it out. You can store your slime in your baggie to keep it fresh, and you can even add lotion if you like. 4 squirts, about 1 squirt at a time, working it in each time. That makes it stretchier. Okay, thanks for watching, and have fun making your slime.